Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. And I have shared recently a huge Sephora haul, and in it I got 3 different favorites packages, and I like these. I mean, they usually run around $40 to $50 in that range, but you get 9 products and 3 of them are full size, so I figure it's pretty much worth it when you get the full size. So anyway, we're gonna open this up and see what we got in here, so let's get going. Hey friends, first of all, I want to thank you for being here. I appreciate your support so much. If you want to support my channel, you can do so by subscribing, hitting the like button, and leave me a comment. All those things are really appreciated, so thank you for that. And let's open this up, see all these things we have. Okay, I'm just going to pull out the first thing I have here, and then I'm going to have to look it up, but this is from Mario, and this is a Super Shine lip gloss in rose water. This is full size. I'm excited to have it. I don't have a lot of Mario products, but the ones I have, I really, really like. In fact, I think I have in Mario is blush and bronzer. So this feels good. There we go. That's how it looks on my lips. And so that's our first item. And the next item I'm pulling out is from Quay, and this is St. Bart's Hair and Body Mist. Ooh, I did see this in here and was curious about it. So it's just it's a mist, and I know they carry hair products, but I'm just curious. Ooh. Okay, now my hair smells good. It's really fun. It kind of smells vacation-y or something, but I'm kind of excited that I'm going to take that on vacation. See, they really stick to the theme. Vacay all day. I love it. So these are all great vacation items. The next thing I have in here is from, look, I feel like something might be leaking in here. There's like an oily, interesting. We'll see what that's about. But there's oil on the outside of my bottle. This is from Patrick Ta, and I believe it is a Glow Luminous Bronzy Body Oil. So it's a body oil, bronzing body oil. So that's interesting. So maybe that sounds fun, vacation-y. So use it. You can put it on your, chest and arms and whatever. So there's that. I would think you could probably put it in, mix it with your foundation too or whatever. So anyway, there's that. And the next thing we have here is, I'm trying to think what. This is a YSL mascara, Lash Clash. I love this mascara. I've used it. It's just a small one. I don't love small ones, but it's good for vacation. Look how big that and fluffy that brush is. So I need to start using these more. I don't really like these, the smaller ones, but this would be great to take on vacation for a week, whatever. So there's that. The next thing I have is from Urban Decay, and this is the All Nighter Waterproof Makeup Setting Spray Deluxe. This is kind of a cult favorite. I mean, Urban Decay makes really good face finishers or whatever. So anyway, I like that. That's a spray. So, gosh, keep going here. This right here is from rarebeauty. Oh, kind of, see, I didn't really know what's all in here. This is the blush. Okay, this is the Vulnerable Melting Cream Blush, Nearly Neutral. So there's that. I'm not sure. Do I want to try it? I guess I will. So anyway, there it is on my finger. It looks like it might be kind of warm for me. Okay, it's not really going on my hand. I have just cleaned off my hand. I feel like I have something on my hand, but so I don't know if you see it. Probably it's buildable, yeah. So there we go. I kind of like buildable products, so I love the little, this is really cute, the little container it's in, and I believe that's our second full-size item. So anyway, that's really fun to get. And then next I have from meritbeauty. This is a, I think this is a bronzer and Day Glow Dewy Highlighting Balm. Okay, neutral bronze. So highlighting balm. It looks kind of dark for that. Let's see what we got here. Okay, it's right down the middle. So interesting. I think I would use it more like a bronzer, or it could be a highlighter too. I think it would maybe work here. So anyway, I really like it. This is a full size. It's a nice product. So anyway, there's that. Yay. And there's two more items in here. I've got, this is from Innisfree, and let's see, Daily UV Defense Invisible Broad Spectrum SPF Sunscreen. So that's a perfect size to take traveling, just a little sunscreen for your face. So that's nice. Innisfree, good brand. So the last thing I have in here is from Glossier. It's a balm.com lip balm and skin salve in mango. Okay, skin salve and lip balm. I don't know how those work. It looks more like a lip, just a lip. So I don't know what it means by skin salve. But anyway, I always love these products. So that one also is, this one also is a full size. So it looks like, yeah, we got 4 full size in here. So that's pretty good. So we got the Mario lip gloss full size. We got the Quay hair and body spray, and I'm loving this. This hairspray is, I can't wait to go on vacation again so I can use all this stuff. So this is fun. We got the Urban Decay All Nighter. Love this. It's a good one. These are all great for vacation. I can't wait to pack my bag. Anyway, this is the which one was this? The Merit highlighter, a bronze glow, whatever. So love that. Another full size. Patrick Ta, great brand, bronzing drops, and it's not a bad size. Anyway, none of these are really bad size. So that's fun too for vacation. The Selena Gomez, I like this too. And the thing I like about it, it's right here, is it's just a settle if you want, just like in the summer, you don't want to, you just want a simple look, and this would be really good for a natural beauty. Sunscreen, so there we go, there's the sunscreen, the Glossier lip balm and salve, whatever, body salve, skin salve. So there's that, and then the YSL mascara. So that's a fun bag. Let me know what you think. Is there anything in here that stands out to you? I buy these because a lot of times, like I said, for a full size, that pretty much pays for the cost of the bag, which was $48. But anyway, I just like to get them, and I kind of do it for your benefit too. When I share these, it's like you can see if it's worth it for you to buy this, or maybe there's just a couple of products in there you're interested in. It just gives us a chance to have me share with you. So basically, I bought it if you don't want to, but if you want to, great. So there it is. So anyway, let me know what you think in the comments. I appreciate your support so much. Thank you for being here, and I will see you guys all in the next one. Okay, time out. I have more. I have 2. I've been sharing. I think I'm going to share these every day this week. I mean, I have other ones I'm reviewing. So go check out my other videos too on that. All right, that's it. So I will see you guys all in the next one. All right, friends. Bye-bye.